Hello, I'm Mr. Hamilton. One of the reasons I'm so proud to be principal of Antioch Community High School is the safe and welcoming environment that you, the students and staff, have created here. I am also proud of how well you manage change. One of the changes we have this year is how we will react to a dangerous situation. Today, we will be discussing what to do if an intruder were to enter the school. This process will be taking the place of the type of lockdown for which we have trained in the past. Before we begin, please know that Antioch Community High School is a safe place and that you are safe. With the events of recent years, you may have thought about what you would do should a horrific event, such as an armed intruder, were to occur in our school. You may have even talked about it with teachers, friends, and your parents. Many of the tragedies that have occurred in schools were preceded by acts or statements that were either not shared or not taken seriously by those who were informed. The best way to prevent school violence is to tell someone. Please know that there are resources at ACHS if you would like to talk and share information. You can trust that you will be taken seriously should you overhear strange conversations and decide to tell an adult in authority. Today and in the future, we will be conducting ALiCE drills. You will hear or be told what is happening over the loudspeaker. You will need to follow the advice of the person on the loudspeaker and your classroom leader. That leader may be your teacher, it may be another student, or it may be you. The goal of this process is to empower you with options. You should know that the best way to deal with an armed intruder is to share information and evacuate. During our drills, your class will use information given to make informed decisions as to what actions will keep you the safest. The options are outlined in the ALiCE acronym. A is for alert. We will use clear language to describe the location and type of event that is occurring. L is for lockdown. You should close, lock, and barricade the door to provide you with more time to decide how to act. I is for inform, by keeping teachers, students, and the police up to date with as much information will help keep you safe. C is for counter. That is a time when you would distract or confuse an intruder to gain control of the situation. And E is to evacuate, to get away from the danger as soon as possible. Always remember to move away from the direction of the noise. Remember that these options do not have to occur in a specific order, but today we want to discuss two of the options. The first will be evacuate. The easiest way for us to make it hard for an intruder to find you is to get out of the area. Using the information that is made available to you, if you can get out of the building, you should do so. Evacuating may mean jumping from a window or climbing down a rope. The goal is to get you out and away from the school in the opposite direction of where the intruder was located. Please do not forget to help those around you who may be having trouble. And always remember, the police are coming. Earlier today, we practiced the fire alarm, weather permitting. That was one route to escape from the building. Considering the space in which you currently are, what evacuation options do you have? Can you escape through an exit? Can you escape through a window? Please pause this video and discuss with your teacher and classmates what options you have to escape. In some cases, you cannot escape immediately, and you will have to lock down and barricade. If the intruder is close, remaining in lockdown and barricading the door is probably the best choice. Utilize desks, bookshelves, chairs, or anything else in the room to barricade the door and to create an obstacle to entry. Remember to dial 911 and look for a way to evacuate. In looking at your current space, what objects can you use to barricade the door? What can you use to prevent the intruder from entering? After you have barricaded the door, is there another evacuation route? Please pause this video and discuss with your teacher and classmates what options you have to lock down and barricade. Each year we practice emergency drills. Practicing these drills regularly and discussing what potential options you have in any situation could save your life. It is important to know that you have been empowered to make decisions. Practice, preparation, and information will equate to safety. Again, this is a safe school. The adults around you are trained professionals who value your safety. Should you need to speak with someone about how you are feeling, please find an adult and share. Also, members of our student services team are available for you. As a final reminder, to maintain safety, if you see something, say something. Thank you.